Meanwhile, knockout play, muntik na pumasok. And here's Green! Showtime!
Ngayong episode, throwback muna tayo back in 2018.
And a dunk there by Marak 2. Green, a lob pass. Another lob pass!
Nang magtapat ang dating Mavs phenomenal player na ngayon ay naglalaro na sa Imus SB squad ng MPBL na si Poypoy Aktub laban sa NBA rising star ng Houston Rockets, ang Phil-Am na si Jalen Green.
Here's Green. Green and a hard foul. Enriquez binabantayan si Jalen Green. And a steal by Steve Nash Enriquez. And another great pass there coming from Steve Nash Enriquez.
Ito ang NBTC 2018 na ginanap sa MOA Arena.
Coming to you live from the Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay City. This is the NBTC National Finals Sweet 16. I'm Ruben Terrado, and in the game at hand, it's between the Phil-Am Sports USA against the University of Visayas Baby Lancers. As we see here, basket made by John Cork Cabahug. First 2 points of the ball game for University of Visayas. Meanwhile, Elijah Jackson, he is fouled. We are live on Hoop X. So, Team USA, Phil-Am Sports USA, they are the 13th seed in this Madness in MOA tournament, while UV seeded number 4 in this tournament. So Jackson shooting 2 free throws, and the second free throw pumasok. We're tied at 2 with 9:24 to go in the first quarter. Early goings in this Sweet 16 ball game. UV with possession. Jelin Yagao across. And a turnover there on the part of the Baby Lancers. It has been an exciting Sweet 16 tournament so far. As we see here, a 3-point shot by Elijah Jackson. He misses it. Ball goes to University of Visayas. Jeliangao bringing the ball for Cebu. Maglasang, corner shot, Cabao, 3, wala. Rebound, nakuha ng USA, Elijah Jackson. In transition now, Clark, Ayala, Green, left corner, Wilson for 3, no good. Rebound UV, in transition, and layup there, missing is Roosevelt Jeliangao. Jumper by Green, no good. Ball with UV. Inside here, jump shot by Enriquez, no good. Ito ngayon ng USA, Clark dishing out to Jackson, blows the layup. Here's UV and a turnover. Clark steps back, drives, bounce pass to Ayala for the left-hand layup. It's a 4-2 game for Phil-Am Sports USA. Ito ngayon ng UV, reverse layup. It's good for Enriquez. Wilson, Ayala to Jalen Green. Clark with the ball. Kick out. Ayala. 3-pointer. Yes! Russell Ayala for 3 and a 3-point lead for Philam Sports. Ito ngayon ng UV. Maglasang for 3 over Wilson. No good. Rebound. USA. Philam Sports with the ball now. Clark. Binigay kay Jackson for the layup. 5-point lead for USA. 6 minutes and 27 seconds left in this first quarter of play. It's still a 4-point lead here for Philam Sports USA. Here's the drive by Jalen Green. No good. Rebound. UV. And a turnover. Ball off Ayala. It will go to UV. Clark bringing the ball at the right side. Wilson. 3-pointer, no good. Rebound by UV. And the layup for UV, and it's down to a 2-point lead for Philam Sports USA. Jackson inside. Layup, no good. Rebound by UV. Omandak, he scores a layup. And we are tied at 9. Philam Sports USA calling a timeout here with 4 minutes and 43 seconds to play here in the first quarter. Back here live at the Mall of Asia Arena for this Sweet 16 match between Philam Sports and UV Baby Lancers. So far a good start for Philam Sports, but itong UV coming back in this game. They have tied this game at 9 with halfway into this first quarter. And here's Jalen Green. What a move, but he misses the layup. And ball goes the other way. Foul was called on Jalen Green, a pushing foul. Jalen Green, the highly touted sophomore in the US. He is the #1 sophomore player according to the ESPN rankings class of 2020. Meanwhile, a foul called here for Philam Sports USA. And again, the winner of this battle between UV and Philam Sports will be facing National University. Tinalo ng Bullpups ang Adamson kaninang umaga sa kanilang Sweet 16 affair. Meanwhile, bank shot is in from Omandak. And lamang na ang UV by 2. Wilson, all the way. No good. Follow-up is good by Elijah Jackson. Tabla na tayo rito at 11, 3 minutes and 45 seconds left in the first quarter. Umandak, corner shot, wala. Rebound by Philam Sports. Clark at the right side. He drives to the lane. One-hander, no good. Rebound by UV. Laurente, no look pass to the left corner. And reverse layup by Umandak, no good. Pero the ball will go to Philam Sports. So we are tied at 11 here. 3 minutes and 17 seconds left in the first quarter. Ayala to Jackson. Green. Clark. being guarded by Amistoso. Jalen Green, kick out. Ayala for 3, no good. Rebound by UV. Kabahog, spin move, and a steal. Here's Green, and a hard foul. And an unsportsmanlike foul has been called here. So Jalen Green shooting 2 free throws, and Philam Sports will get possession. Green, first free throw is no good. Second shot by Green is also good. So UV here trying to become the second team from Cebu to advance to the Sweet 16 earlier today. Sacred Heart School, Ateneo de Cebu. Tinalo nila ang Hope Christian High School in their Sweet 16 game earlier this morning. As we see here, a steal hit by Yero, and the layup is no good. But there's a whistle, stepping out of bounds ang tinawag doon ng ating mga referees. We thank you everyone for joining us here at the Mall of Asia Arena as we see a layup by Brandon Wilson and a foul. Fans of Philam Sports USA, they like that play. Nagustuhan nila yung layup na yon ni Brandon Wilson. Bonus free throw ni Wilson, it's good. Now that's his first 3 points of the game. Ito ngayon ang UV. Amistoso, inikot ang bola, binigay sa ilalim. Top shot there by Joshua Yero, it's good. Yero, one of the top players of UB, he'll be playing the NBTC All-Star game on Friday. So UV down by 2, 15-13. 1 minute and 51 seconds left in the first quarter. And Jalen Green, binigay kay Ayala, baseline drive, he uses the left hand for 2. Ayala now has 7 points in the game as USA leads 17-13. Meanwhile, Yero battling for the rebound, and he gets rewarded. He'll go to the line for 2 free throws. Yero, he sinks the first free throw. 1 minute and 32 seconds left sa ating first quarter. Yero makes the second. So it's now a 2-point lead for USA, 17-15. Jalen Green, binigay kay Wilson, layup for 2. And a 4-point lead there for Philam Sports. 1 minute and 18 seconds left in this first quarter. Crossover move by Amistoso. And the referee says ball will remain with UV. Meanwhile, knockout play, muntik na pumasok. And here's Green, showtime! Crowd loving that one. 21-15 in favor of Philam Sports. Here's UV. Labas. 3-point shot is no good. Rebound Jackson. Jackson. Binigay kay Green. Hey! Two-hand jam! Jalen Green back-to-back highlights here. And ito na naman, si Jalen Green. Green, lays it up, no good. Wilson is there, putback is good, and a foul. .8 seconds left, and the fans getting their money's worth early in this ball game. Jalen Green showing us back-to-back slams. And now Wilson, pinasok niya ang kanyang bonus free throw. It's now a 26-15 lead for Philham Sports. UV gustong bumawi dito. I'm sure hindi sila magpapatalo rito. Kick out play here for UV. 3-point shot by Maglasang, wala. Yero with the rebound. Over Wilson, no good. And the buzzer sounds to end the first quarter. So at the end of this entertaining first quarter, Philham Sports with an 11-point lead over University of Visayas, 26-15. Philham Sports with an 11-point lead over UV. Ruben Terrado here live at the Mall of Asia Arena. The highlight of this first quarter, Jalen Green scoring back-to-back dunks. And Jalen Green takes this 3-point shot, no good. Rebound by UV. Amistoso to Maglasang takes a 3, wala. And the rebound battle nakuha ng Philham Sports USA. Clark to Elijah Jackson, masyadong malakas ang pasa. Here comes UV, and the bank shot is no good, pero nakuha pa rin ng UV ang offensive rebound. Running shot by Maglasang, no good. But there is Ivan Mata for the putback. So it's a 9-point lead for Philham Sports, 26-17. Clark, I think that's a lob pass to Jalen Green, and he's fouled. So Jalen Green, he now has 5 points in the ball game. So far UV, Joshua Yero with 4 points in the game, but he already has 3 fouls based on our scoreboard here at the Mall of Asia Arena. So early foul trouble woes here for Joshua Yero. Jalen Green makes the first free throw. 8 minutes and 51 seconds left in this second quarter of play. The second one is no good. So UV now with possession. And a steal by Green. Here we go, two-hand jam! .12 lead for USA, 8 minutes and 33 seconds left in this second quarter. Three-point shot from the corner, it's good by Roosevelt Jeliangao. So it's now a 12-point lead here for Philham Sports. And Clark inside, may foul dito on Kabahug. We are seeing a lot of coaches here na nanonood, staying to watch Philham Sports play University of Visayas. As we see here, Philham Sports taking a 3, that's Clark, no good. And the ball goes back to UV. Earlier today, LaSalle Green Hills, the NCAA champions, they defeated the Lyceum Junior Pirates to advance into the Elite 8. They will be facing San Beda. Tinalo nila ang San Sebastian kanina to arrange a quarterfinal match tomorrow. Dito pa rin sa Mall of Asia Arena. As we see here, John Corcabao, spin move, turnover. Here is Green for the layup. 13-point Philham Sports lead. 7 minutes and 29 to play in the second quarter. Ito ngayon, a foul is called on UV. Back here inside the Mall of Asia Arena, as we see a 15-point lead for Philham Sports. 35 to 27 minutes to play in the second quarter. And Jalen Green with a steal. Look out! A windmill slam by Jalen Green. He now has 12 points. Ito ngayon ang UV. Cabahog is blocked. Wilson with the rebound. Tumatakbo ang Philham Sports. Clark. Across. Wilson. Three-pointer. Yes! Brandon Wilson. It's now a 20-point lead for UV. And Enriquez is fouled. So Jalen Green already with 12 points, but Brandon Wilson gumagawa rin dito para sa Philham Sports. He has 13 points and a turnover here for Philham Sports. Green, a lob pass, another lob pass! Grabe na tong pinapakita ni Jalen Green, a two-hand slam. And Enriquez linabas. 3-point shot here coming from Laurente, wala. And there's a whistle. Ito ngayon ang UV. Enriquez. Double team outside. Here's a 3-point shot. No good. Battle for the rebound. Cabahog. Binigay sa kanyang kakampi, Justin Rosete, but he'll go to the line for 2 free throws. .22-point lead here for Philham Sports. Rosete, first free throw is good. Could be the start of a UV comeback. Let's see. Second shot ni Rosete, wala. But the offensive rebound by UV. Laurente. And a 3-point shot here coming from Cometa, wala. And here is Clark. Spin move and a layup, no good. Laurente to Enriquez. Enriquez, jump shot, short. John Cabahog with the hand on the ball, but it will stay with UV. So here's UV, a high looping shot by Gab Cometa, down to a 19-point lead for Philam Sports. 4:40 to play here in the second quarter. Clark, right side to Ayala. Back to Clark. Takes a long two. Wala. Ayala to Wilson. Outside for three. Short. And the ball goes out. Last touch by Philam Sports. Enriquez. Steve Nash Enriquez. Binigay sa kanyang kakampi si Bern Lorente. Rosete, turnover. Jackson to the hoop and a score. 21-point lead for Philam Sports USA. 3:51 to go in the second quarter. Laurente, linabas. Cometa, wala. Here's Philam Sports USA. And another highlight play here for Philam Sports USA. Elijah Jackson with a slam. And it's now a 23-point lead. Dumoble na ang kalamangan dito ng Philam Sports as Gab Cometa with a corner shot. Here's Clark. Drives. Layup is good. And a foul. So Clark going to the line for bonus shot. It's now a 23-point lead for Philam Sports. As we see Jalen Green about to come back in this game. Philam Sports only playing with 8 men. Meanwhile, we have a timeout. Yes, we are. We have a timeout here. We'll be back. We thank the 464 people watching us here on Facebook Live on HoopX and SMNBTC Facebook page. This is the SMNBTC League Sweet 16. And ito, Philam Sports USA with that whopping 23-point lead. Make that 24 on that bonus free throw by Clark. 3 minutes and 6 seconds left in the second quarter. Ruben Terrado here, live at the Mall of Asia Arena. Bern Lorente with the ball against Jalen Green. Right side is Omandak, back to Lorente against Ayala. Lorente takes a three, short. Wilson with the rebound. Ayala. Wilson, a three-pointer, yes! Brandon Wilson, 16 points for him, 52 to 25 in favor of Philam Sports. And Cometa, short jumper, wala, but there's a foul. So now UV with the ball. 2 minutes and 20 seconds to play here in this second quarter. Enriquez inbounding. Ito ngayon, Cometa. Corner shot or no. Tinira ni number 4, that's Mar Aktub. And the ball will go to Philam Sports. So it's now 2 minutes and 6 seconds left in this second quarter. Ayala, Wilson, another three, and another conversion by Brandon Wilson. Cometa over Wilson is blocked, and a foul is called on UV. So now it's a 30-point lead here for Philam Sports USA. 1 minute and 49 seconds left in this first half of play. We thank everyone for joining us here in our Facebook Live on HoopX. As we see here, Sanderson missing the first free throw. Sanderson, he makes a second. So it's now a 56-25 lead here for Philam Sports USA. Cometa, binigay kay Steve Nash Enriquez. Enriquez is blocked, but there's a foul. The call is on Wilson. That's his second foul of this game. And agad-agad pinalitan si Wilson. USA only playing with 8 players. So they need to watch out for their fouls. Jalen Green also has 2 fouls. In the meantime, Enriquez with an air ball. It's a 31-point lead for Philam Sports. Steve Nash Enriquez, isa sa mga magagaling din na batang players from Cebu. He makes the second free throw. So it's a 30-point lead for Philam Sports. Clark against Enriquez. Corner Ayala. Jalen Green for 3. And he makes the 3. Jalen Green with 17 points. And it's a 33-point lead for Philam Sports. 1 minute and 18 seconds left in the second quarter. Ito ngayon si Enriquez. No look pass inside. What a play. Aktub with a reverse layup. But still, it's a 31-point lead for Philam Sports. Malaki-laki pa ang habulin ng UV dito. Ayala to Clark. Back to Ayala. Corner 3 from left. It's good. Russell Ayala for 3, and it's now a 62-28 ball game. Cometa. Here is Enriquez. Lumabas ang bola, pero ball will stay with UV. And a 3 by Cometa. Wala. Ito ngayon ang Philam Sports USA. Clark with the ball. Green with the screen. 3-point shot by De Leon. Wala. And ball will go to UV. (62-28). 8 seconds left. As we see here, a reverse layup by Aktub. Wala, but there's a foul. 4.8 seconds left sa ating second quarter. First free throw is up, and it's good. Aktub making his first free throw. He has 3 points in the game. Aktub, second shot. Wala. Jalen Green with the rebound. Green. Tumatakbo na bitaw ng bola. He takes a 3-point shot, pero that was after the buzzer. So after 20 minutes of play, we see the Philam Sports USA team with a 62-29 lead over University of Visayas. Magbabalik kami for the second half action. Back here at the Mall of Asia Arena for third quarter action between Philam Sports USA and University of Visayas. Ruben Terrado here, live at the Mall of Asia Arena. And it has been an all Philam Sports show. And Jalen Green, siya ang namumuno para sa Philam Sports USA. He has 17 points in the game. Ang dami na rin niya pinakita mga highlight plays dito, including that one. So, it's now a 64-29 lead para sa Philam Sports USA. Philam Sports USA is supremely confident in this game. Ito ngayon ng UV. 3-point shot there para kay John Corcabahog. It's good. Philam Sports USA. And a 3-point shot for Philam Sports. And a block by Green. Another try by UV. Meron tayong foul. Ivan Mata to the line. Batiin muna natin ang grupong IM. Shoutout sa kanila. So si Randolph Leongson binabati ang grupo ng IM. Kumusta kayo dyan? Thank you for watching us here at the Mall of Asia Arena. Ivan Mata, a big man para sa Baby Lancers. Mintis sa kanyang second free throw. Ito ngayon ng Philam Sports. And a turnover. And an open man. Oh, a block by Jackson, but there's a foul. Ivan Mata was blocked, pero nakita ng referee may foul doon. So Ivan Mata back to the line. And Mata sinks the second free throw. So it's now a 30-point lead for Philam Sports USA. Clark at the right side against John Corcabahog. Clark drives. The layup is good. Ito ngayon ng UV. Mata wala. Mata again wala. Battle for the rebound. Nakuha ng UV. Hustle play there pero traveling ang tinawag kay Umandak. Good hustle play para kay Umandak. Ito ngayon ang Philam Sports USA. Green spins, jumper. It's good for Jalen Green. That's his 21st point of this game. Philam Sports still looking to increase this lead, pero eto ang UV. What a layup there para kay Umandak. J. Rolando Umandak with that layup. He now has 10 points in this ball game. Here's Clark and he's fouled from behind. Amistoso. Tuyero. Inikot ang bola. Nakikabahog ngayon ng bola. A pass. Turnover. Ayala to Wilson. Wilson to Green for 3. Wala. And at the rebound by Umandak. Yero to Cabahug. He drives. He loses the ball. Here's Wilson taking a 3. Wala. Ito ngayon ang UV. Mata inside. Mata scores and a foul. Here is Jalen Green against Mata. Green, jumper. Wala. And the rebound by Amistoso. And a turnover. Another turnover. Yero with a steal. Left corner. 3-point shot, no good. And Wilson is fouled. Hands it off to Green. Green, left corner, Clark. Clark drives. Clark scores. Clark with the layup. He now has 11 points in the ball game. Yero to Amistoso and a turnover. Umandak. Wala ang layup. Jackson with the rebound. Wilson at the backcourt. Jackson. He drives. Wala ang layup. Ito ngayon ang UV. And Yero travels. Meanwhile, coming into the game, Jay Paraldo and Steve Nash Enriquez. Clark, tinawid ang bola. Clark dribbling the ball against Enriquez. To Green. Green, scoop shot. Wala. Ito ngayon ang Baby Lancers. Yero. Right corner. 3-point shot there for Joshua Yero. He now has 7 points. He is saddled with 3 fouls in this ball game. Ito ngayon ang Philam Sports USA. Empty play there for Philam Sports, pero naagaw ni Wilson ang bola. 3-point shot by Wilson. It's good. "25 points for Brandon Wilson. 78-45 in favor of Philam Sports. And an inside play here. Basket by Justin Rosete. Wilson to Green. Across. Clark fakes a 3. Linabas. Green for 3. Wala. Jackson with the rebound. Clark no look to Jackson. He scores. 80-47. Philam Sports USA. 1 minute and 46 seconds left in the third quarter. And a long rebound. Agawan sila ni Green and Umandak. Ball goes to UV. So, Philam Sports with possession, 1 minute and 37 seconds left in this third quarter. Green, binigay sa ilalim. Ito ngayon ang UV, Enriquez against Ayala. Enriquez fakes a pass. What a fake and what a shot there for Steve Nash Enriquez. 1 minute and 16 seconds left in this third quarter. Enriquez binabantayan si Jalen Green. And a steal by Steve Nash Enriquez. Nice steal there para kay Steve Nash Enriquez. inagawan itong si Jalen Green. Mabibilib ka rin dito sa batang ito. He's one of the rising stars sa Cebu. Itong si Steve Nash Enriquez. And I'm sure we will see more of him here in the NBTC. As we see here, Ayala goes to the lane and a layup. 82-49. Philham Sports USA with a big lead here. Steve Nash Enriquez. And trying to keep this possession. Oh, what a play here for Steve Nash Enriquez! A highlight play for Steve Nash Enriquez. Then the crowd loving it. 26 seconds left in the third quarter. Mabibilib ka rin sa puso nitong batang ito kahit tambak ang UV, lumalaban pa rin. Jackson, linabas ang bola to the corner. Ayala for 3. Pasok, pero I think it's a shot clock violation. So with 8 seconds left in this third quarter, UV aiming for a strong finish here. Enriquez for 3. It's an air ball. Walang mapasahan. Binigay kay Jeliango, and Jeliangao scores. 9:11 left in the fourth quarter. Ayala, pull-up jumper, wala. Rebound ng UV, pero naagaw. Sanderson, sidestep and score. 31-point lead for Philham Sports USA. Jackson, and there's a foul. Bern Lorente coming into this game for UV. 8 minutes and 41 seconds left in this ball game. The winner of this match will go up against National University sa quarterfinals. Tinalo ng Bullpups kanina ang Adamson Baby Falcons to clinch a spot in the quarterfinals. And another great pass there coming from Steve Nash Enriquez. Ayala, linabas, De Leon for 3. Sean De Leon converting on that triple. So it's now a 32-point lead for Philham Sports. Laurente to Enriquez. Enriquez to the corner. Wala. Agawan sa bola. Last touch on UV. Russell Ayala. Tinawid ang bola. Garcia, baseline drive. Dinabas, natapik palabas, bola ng Philham Sports USA. Brandon Wilson babalik sa laro. Kasama niya si John Cork Cabahug, also returning to this game. Ayala, right side, drives, kicks. Sanderson to Wilson against Cabahug. A long 3. Wala. And UV with the ball. Enriquez. Enriquez still. Agawan sa bola. And a little bit of extracurricular activities here, pero na-control naman agad ng mga referees natin. Enriquez with the inbound. Natapik ni De Leon. Bola pa rin ng UV. So 7:06 left in this fourth quarter at nakascore doon ng UV. So it's a 30-point lead now for Philham Sports. De Leon, crossover. De Leon for 3. Short. Cabajo with the rebound. Enriquez. Running one-hander, wala. Garcia with the rebound. Triple team here. And natapikan. Nakakuha ngayon ni Rosete, wala. Another try, wala. And ball goes to UV. But you have to commend the hustle play there for UV. Triple teaming Garcia, nakuha nila ang turnover. Hindi lang nakascore. Laurente inbound to Enriquez. Crossover move by UV, pero bola pa rin ng UV. Binabasa natin yung mga Facebook comments natin. Daming fans pala ni Steve Nash Enriquez. He only has 3 points, pero ang dami na niyang assist and some highlight plays din, mga no-look passes. And that's a no-look pass to Wilson. De Leon with the dish. Nasa kanan. Laurente, linabas. Binigay sa loob kay Cabahog. Musling his way inside and there's a foul. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood sa atin all over the world. Sa Cebu man yan, sa Amerika, sa Manila. Salamat sa inyong suporta sa panonood ng NBTC National Finals. Cabahog misses the first free throw. Second free throw is good. 89-58 lamang ang Philham Sports USA. Clark. Ito ngayon, 3-point shot. Garcia for 3. And a timeout by UV. It's a 92-58 lead. 5 minutes and 38 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Pero ngayon, tingnan natin ang Division 2. Bigyan natin kayo ng update. Ang mga nakapasok sa Elite 8. Cagayan de Oro will be facing Laguna in the quarterfinals, as well as Bacolod, La Salipa, Batangas, Davao, Dumaguete, and Naga. So sila ang maglalaro sa Elite 8 tomorrow. I believe dito sa Mall of Asia Arena ang laro. Meanwhile, back in the game for Philham Sports USA is Jalen Green. Crowd anticipating more highlights from him. Pero papayag kaya ang UV dito? Titingnan natin. Clark. Left side. Linabas kay Wilson for 3. Short. And the rebound by Laurente. Up ahead to Joshua Hierro for 2. I'm sorry, that's from Gab Cometa. The layup by Gab Cometa. That's his 6th point of the game. Wilson. Wala ang kanyang layup. Ito na naman. Si Gab Cometa for 2. Back-to-back points there for Gab Cometa. Clark. Pinasa kay Wilson. 4 minutes and 13 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Cabahog takes a 3. Wala. And that's Joshua Hierro with a putback. De Leon to Green. Baseline drive. Green uses the left hand. Wala. Hierro. Ito ngayon ang UV. Layup by Aktub, wala. Ito ngayon ang USA. 3-point shot from the corner. De Leon, no good. And the ball goes to UV. Pansin natin si Steve Nash Enriquez inupo na rito for this game. Gab Cometa loses the handle. Garcia, lob. Wilson lays it in. Ito ngayon ang Cebu. Corner 3. Wala. Tapi ka ng bola. And a turnover here. De Leon lobs it to Jackson. Hindi lang pumasok. Ito ngayon ng UV. Double team there at the corner. Cometa, linabas. Aktub. Ito ngayon. Gab Cometa, nabitawan ng bola. Ayala. To De Leon. De Leon with the layup. So it's now 100 to 66. Philam Sports USA with a big lead here. 1 minute and 29 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Crossover move here by Aktub. Hindi lang pumasok kanyang tira. And Elijah Jackson misses that dunk. De Leon at the corner, natapikan. Pero tumama ang bola sa paa ni De Leon. 1 minute and 9 seconds to play here. Philam Sports USA will be advancing into the quarterfinal round, the Elite 8. They will be facing National University tomorrow. I-announce na lang po natin ang schedule of games sa NBTC Facebook page. Kasama na ang HoopX. So we have 51.5 seconds to play here. We see Chiang Kai-shek and Letran now warming up for the final match of the Sweet 16. Ito ngayon ang Cebu. And a dunk there by Mar Aktub. So Jackson, inuubos na lang ang oras dito. A great performance here by Philam USA and a dunk there by Elijah Jackson. Ito si Mar Aktub. Dumunk din daw to kahapon, so tingnan natin kung dadunk uli siya. Ito na nga. Oh, he just missed that dunk. But nice effort there on the part of Aktub. And that ends the ball game. Our final score: Philam USA 102, University of Visayas 68. Philam Sports USA advancing into the next round. They will be facing National University.